So y'all trust all the labs, Rose Sparks, Alpha Male. Man, all y'all need is a little ginger. You know what I'm saying? A little ginger in your life. Well, make that thing. Think, whoop de do. You know what I'm saying? Who cares if you fuck your whole body up taking Rose Sparks and Viagra and all this stuff? They don't care. All you need is a little ginger, a little lemon. I don't believe ginger ale is the right thing to do with it. This is a pretty good ginger ale, but guess what? At least I'm doing it. Look at what ginger do. You see what Chef putting you on. This the recipe, man. Look at that. Look at what ginger do. This why I drink ginger in my shit. You understand what's going on? This is real shit. Men need this type of shit. No one don't tell you this type of shit. They tell you everything else. They tell you go kill a nigga. They'll tell you whatever, right? But they won't tell you how to improve your health. They won't tell you how to get better. Shell 3 times, man. The recipe. Man, go put you some ginger and some water or something, man. Y'all drink